Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Asian pickled vegetables. We'll start by selecting the freshest produce, like crisp cucumbers or crunchy daikon radish. Then, we'll prepare a simple yet flavorful brine using common pantry staples. Next, I'll guide you through slicing your chosen vegetables uniformly for perfect pickling. Finally, we'll pack them tightly into clean, sterilized jars, ready for their transformation. This process is straightforward and yields fantastic results. Crafting the perfect brine is key to amazing pickled vegetables. A good starting point is a 1-to-1 ratio of vinegar to water. For every cup of liquid, add about 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of salt to balance the flavors. Don't forget to include aromatics like sliced garlic, fresh ginger, or a few chili flakes for an extra kick. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil to ensure all the solids dissolve and the brine is properly sterilized. Once your brine is ready, it's time to prepare your vegetables. Begin by thoroughly washing and drying them to remove any dirt or moisture. Slice them into uniform pieces, ideally about 1/8 inch thick, to ensure even pickling. Tightly pack these prepared vegetables into your clean, sterilized glass jars, leaving a small headspace. Finally, pour the hot brine over the vegetables, making sure they are completely submerged to prevent spoilage and ensure consistent flavor. After pouring the hot brine, allow your jars of pickled vegetables to cool completely to room temperature before sealing them. For the best flavor development, refrigerate them for at least 24 hours before you plan to serve them. These delightful homemade Asian pickled vegetables can be stored in the refrigerator for several weeks, providing a crisp and tangy addition to many meals. Enjoy them as a refreshing side dish or a flavorful topping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.